Hey, what's up, everybody? Good morning. Good morning, good morning. Let's see. Morning, good morning. Good morning, Roberts. Good morning, Patrick. Good morning, Diana. Good morning, Bilbo. Looks like GJ current daily candle is pushing bullish pretty hard. It already created a bottom wick. 4-hour candles, previous 4-hour candle strong bullish. Current 4-hour candle created that lower wick. Seems to be going bullish, moving into a resistance zone though. So we'll see. Oh, nice slingshot move set up here on hourly. What's up, Jake? How you doing?
What's good, brother? How you doing?
Good, man. Good.
Managed to catch that GJ move this morning, which was nice.
Oh yeah, the buys.
Yeah, I took an impulse on the 30-minute, but it did actually close above on the 15-minute, which kept me kind of in it. But unfortunately, it came back to entry after being about sort of 8 pips in. So I did close the majority of my position, but left a small runner. But yeah, boy, did it run. Look at it. Damn.
Yeah, hell yeah. Did you catch it down here?
Yes, yeah. So as soon as it broke the wick to the left, or the wicks to the left, sorry, not just the one to the left, sort of kind of about there, exactly, yeah.
Yeah.
So I took it from there. But I only took it to the next resistance, so not all the way up to about there. And then closed full position because I thought, well, it could close here. So it's still about 50 odd pips, so I'm still happy with that, to be fair.
Yeah, absolutely. Still a good trade.
I think someone in the group rode it the whole way, so.
Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah, good work. Good way to start the week.
Yeah, man, I'm just watching now. I was looking at gold, maybe sales, but it's been a bit choppy, I think, because the volume hasn't like fully been there. So
yeah, I haven't looked at gold yet, but
you're looking at GJ at the moment.
Yeah, we'll see. See what both of them. I think GJ will probably start rejecting. Honestly, I mean, just based on like 4-hour time frame here. Previous 4-hour candle had like little to no top wick, and we're at a resistance zone.
Yeah. And we could end up maybe correcting some of that move.
Yeah, 30-minute candles already broke the high here, so we'll see. We'll see. I think for now, though, we're going to have to look for buys above this zone here. Come up here, be about 70 pips or so. That'll be a long shot, I think, though.
Hey Mike, how you doing, brother?
What's up, Harith? How you doing?
All good, all good. How's your weekend?
Good, man. Good. Good. Took care of some things around the house. Enjoyed some time with my girlfriend. Just hung out. Really didn't do too much. It was nice.
Beautiful. That's really nice.
Just gonna mute myself, Mike, because I'm kind of just working away in the background as well. So
yeah, no problem, man. No problem.
Oh, Jake, you good?
Yeah, not bad, brother. How are you?
Oh, good, brother. Doing
Good.
fine.
Made any trades today, or?
Yeah, I took actually, I got 13 pips from GGJ earlier on with London. Rest of the 15-minute candle.
Yeah, nice. Was that on the close? So 15-minute, can I close it up?
Actually, you see when it pushed up all the way and created resistance here?
Set up here?
Yeah, that resistance, yes. So when we broke that resistance, that candle closed, I took on that second candle. And then just secured 13 pips, I was out. Yeah, that one.
Good deal, good deal.
With
Yeah,
my
that's a
stops
good
just
move.
right down. Yeah, I took.
Yeah,
with the
that's
stop just right below that candle, right below that same candle.
yeah, that's solid.
Yeah, nice. So it's a nice little retest on support as well.
Yeah.
Tooch, how do I get into video cam with you? Tooch, it's in the Telegram group. If you're in the Telegram group, it's in there. If not, then just join there. Tony, what's up, man? How's it going? Yeah, I think me and Jake were just talking about this a second ago. I think it'll probably start retracing here. We'll see, though. Buys above this area are a little choppy. Buys above here because we have resistance here, so not really enough range, so we'll have to look above 166 to continue. Let's check out gold, though. I haven't looked over here yet. Also, I remember this was, yeah, there we go.
I actually saw that move on gold play out, but you know, it was in the range. I was quite scared. I didn't really execute on it.
Yeah, this looks like it could keep falling here, honestly. Just off of first looks.
Yeah, but the 15-minute is really nasty. It's going to give you pullbacks.
Yeah, it looks like we got support down there. This is 4-hour support down here. Oh wow, yeah, 15 minutes. It's just a barcode. El Madi, what's going on? How you doing?
It's still a 15-minute?
Yeah, 15-minute looks terrible.
Yeah, it's dangerous.
Yeah, 15-minute, like,
Give
giving
a nasty
a...
pullback right from there, and you won't believe it.
Yeah, if we get some sort of closure below this little 15-minute support here, I think that would be solid. Because I mean, on 30-minute, it looks nice. I mean, there's these wick rejections here, but you know, we've already started to close like below these, so.
That's right. You just read my thought process. I was also looking at that 15-minute close below that support. Then you can have a really clean move down.
Yeah, if it breaks below, it might continue. I mean, everything is kind of pointing towards that. So 15-minute candles closing in like 3 minutes. So yeah, I might keep my eye on this here.
Yeah, gold looks good right now to kind of find something out of it.
Raj just ranging side-by-side candles on 15-minute. Yeah, I mean, honestly, it looks terrible, but at the same time, you know, with a range, you know, when price breaks out, typically it moves pretty good. So if we can get a nice close here on 15-minute, I think it should play out to continue selling here Honestly, it could just break the lows here too and continue right away. I would feel more comfortable with it seeing a 15-minute candle close bearish. Especially since we have no top wick on 30 minutes, so it could just straight up reject here. But hourly looks good. I mean, close below this
closure
zone
would be really better.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna keep my eye on that there. Haven't looked at news yet for the week. Let me see. I think we have a pretty light week this week. Yeah, nothing today. PPI news tomorrow, USD. I don't think PPI brings any volume though. I think this is the one that I was back testing recently. Tomorrow, retail sales. Yeah, so it shouldn't be too crazy of a week. Ooh, no bottom wick here on the closure. Yeah, I think this sells here will probably be pretty risky. Yeah, I think if gold breaks the lows like right there, it should continue bearish. Honestly, don't really feel too hot about it just because of this 15-minute no bottom wick. It's got no bottom wick or a top wick. Hourly is gonna close in 13 minutes or so too, so I'd almost rather see the hourly close like this and then trade the next hourly candle down. Yeah, if this 15-minute had a wick, had a bottom wick, I think I might enter.
What about give it a little bit of risk, just a small portion of it, and then try it out?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, because I mean, it's breaking 30-minute lows, hourly lows. I mean, all the lows are being broken.
Yeah, so that, like you base it off that.
Oh, look at it.
30 minutes. Oh, you see, oh my, it's left already. that's gone.
Yeah, I had a feeling that was gonna happen, but just didn't feel comfortable with it.
Raj is in.
Say what?
Raj just texted in the group that he's in.
Oh,
Yeah, it makes sense to really push down right now with all the time frames really pointing that one direction at the moment.
yeah. Yeah, I think so. I think so for sure. I mean, like I said, 30-minute candles breaking lows too. Hourly candles breaking lows as well. I mean, there's a nice clean candle here. Even on 15-minute, like this is pretty smooth down. But yeah, I mean, the no bottom wick thing just doesn't make me feel comfortable. Which it's 15-minute, you know, it's kind of low time frame to be, you know, basing like your ideas off of, but low confirmation time frame. But at the same time, you know, like the 30-minute didn't have a top wick. You know, there's kind of some things that are going against my mindset with it. And it's early in the session, so don't need to rush anything. I got all day.
Yeah,
And
that's right. That's right.
Andrew Watson, what percent profit you get last week? I think it was 2.8%. 2.8%, if I remember correctly.
And for my sake, I can't rush right now to take any trade since I've already taken some GJ buys, secured something, and that. Yeah.
Yeah, GJ moved pretty nice this morning during London.
People grabbed 70, 80 pips. I was seeing them in the Telegram group. I was like, wow, nice play, guys.
Yeah, that is nice. Yeah, it moved really nice. Was in this little range, and as soon as it broke out, it just launched. Had kind of this 15-minute like resistance here though that could trip you up, but oh yeah, see.
Oh my.
Yeah, see, this is what happens when there's no bottom wick. When there's no bottom
Down,
wick.
reject, and then pull up.
Yeah. See, a lot of times we'll see this happen. We'll see some sort of bottom wick created on the next candle, and then it'll close bullish. But I saw Raj had his stop loss at entry, so I know he's well aware of the wick theory there. So
15 minutes looks really nasty on gold. Scares the hell out of me.
yeah, so I think I almost rather see like a MP special at this point, you know, some sort of pullback and then continue the sells here on gold.
Yeah, that makes sense.
There are some pretty smooth candles here though, so could potentially see buys too. Price closing above.
I was off buys too, but the moment I saw that 30-minute closing, like a rejection candle, the other first one before that bearish move, so it seemed like a break and retest on the 4 hour to continue pushing down. You see that long wick on the 4 hour.
Yeah.
Retesting that kind of resistance. We broke that resistance, we closed back, then this one came back to retest all the way up, rejecting and then moving all the way back down.
Yeah. AFC, good morning. How you doing? Yeah, see this 15-minute range, man, it's terrible. Holy.
Yeah, those backwards are scary. That I'm saying. It could go down, but really you'll be in pain. The drawdown will be huge.
Yeah, I think price will have to start making some wild moves up for me to consider looking at buys. Because I mean, if we look at daily, I mean daily is pretty strong bearish. This very well could be the bottom wick to continue bullish, but based on 4-hour time frame, I don't think that's the case. Because we created like this support level here and then broke above and then came and rejected, closed below. We're now creating lower lows and lower highs. Have all the way down to 1747 or so on the 4 hours. So yeah, we'll see.
It's time to get up off your knees. And get up on your feet. I just wanna see you dance. Work your body to that beat.
But you know, gold is funny actually. It could do that, and then you know what? The next 4 hour just opens up and moves all the way back up and cleans all that move down. I've seen that a couple of times.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, gold can move like a freaking whipsaw, go back and forth all session.
It's time to get up off your knees. And get up on your feet. I just wanna see you dance. Work your body to that beat.
AFC says all good, gold playing games with me. Yeah. Yeah, gotta wait for gold to break out of this range. If it breaks below and closes below, I think it will be pretty solid. This 15-minute was looking really solid until it closed with no bottom wick. That ruined it for me.
And get up on your feet. I just wanna see you dance. To that beat.
This may end up being a character building day.
Yeah, still got a lot of time left, so we'll see. But yeah, I mean, very well could.
What's going on, Mike?
Hey, what's
Can
going
you hear
on,
me?
man? Yeah.
Hey, man. Thanks for inviting me.
Yeah, absolutely. How you doing?
Yeah, not bad. This is my first time doing video conference. Hey, Harif, Mohammed.
Yo, 24K. How are you, man?
That's it,
I've
man.
seen you right here posting your own tweets. I've seen your tweets, brother.
Oh, thank you. So, just
Yeah,
trying to
nice
do my
ones,
best.
nice ones, actually.
Trying to do my
Yeah.
best, you know. So I love this, Mike. I
Yeah,
love it.
yeah. 24K's tweets are hilarious, man. His shit will have me
Yeah,
cracking up.
exactly.
Oh man, you know the trading industry is such a lonely place, so we just got to make the best of it. Eh? Gotta have some laughs, and you know what I mean. But what I post up is like it's real stuff. You know what I mean, like stop losses and stuff like that. Like it is important. You know what I mean. So
Yeah,
but,
that's for real.
yeah. So no, I love it. I love this.
Dang, look at gold here, man. Completely rejected.
How'd you guys go in the pound yen? Did you guys make some profit or?
Yeah, Muhammad or Harith here and Jake. I know they both got in there and caught some. Yeah,
No, it was awesome.
I was sleeping though. I was sleeping, so I missed it.
Oh man, you missed out on
Yeah.
Monday. Come on. So
Yeah, I was sleeping like a baby.
it was like 74 pips. I saw Raja. Raja entered from, I think he entered 164 at 164.
Yeah,
see his
yeah,
post?
sure. Yeah, exactly.
I'll-
That's what Raja's entry was. And expecting
like-
volume to push this thing all the way.
Yeah, yeah. So, you know, I learned one thing from that trade because like he pushed like, I mean, if you look at the candles, they're engulfing candles, and obviously the green one is a bit strong. Yeah. So you can see the engulfing candles and also volumes in, and that's why he went for it. And obviously just, yeah, shot up. He won I think he profited $400 and something. See that?
Yeah.
Yeah, we
That's $5,000.
we took something similar on Friday last week. It was similar to this. It was kind of in a range, and we just kind of anticipated the same thing with volume. It'll keep pushing.
Yeah. No, it's good. You learn every day, eh?
Yeah. Abdelaziz says Raja don't miss any trade, man. He is insane. How? Yeah, he doesn't miss anything.
That guy's a gun.
Yeah.
You know, it's all with experience. Like the more you spend your time with chats, you see things repeatedly every time and again. So it becomes like a game to you now.
Yeah, absolutely. That's exactly what it is. That's what my little brother, he's like 14, and you know, he was here visiting me a couple of weeks ago. He was staying with me for the weekend, and you know, I turn on my charts and stuff in the morning, Monday morning or whatever, and he's like, "What is this?" You know, he's like asking me questions, and I'm like, you know, you guys play video games, like this is my version of a video game, you know. He was like, "Oh my gosh, like you make money doing this?" I was like, "Yeah." I was like, "Yeah, man, you need to stop watching these damn gamers on YouTube and start watching me on YouTube."
Yeah. And I'm sure like the young kids will be good at it too, you know, like when you're young, like you're really good at games and stuff, and like you're just more focused. So I reckon like if you teach them while they're young, they'll probably do well, eh?
Yeah, that's what I was trying to tell him, you know, because like he's got like a hardworking mindset, you know, like he's like 14, he's already trying to get a job and stuff, and I was like, man, you're 14, like, you know, it took me about 4 years to become like profitable with trading, you know, like imagine like by 18 you could be a profitable trader, and like you'd never have to work a day in your life. And he was mind blown. He was like, no way. I was like, dude, legit. Like,
You know what you should do, Mike? Like give him a $100 account, right? And like when he actually profits, you pay him cash.
oh
You know what I
yeah,
mean?
Yeah.
And then the kid be like, oh man, I just like made, you know, $5. Like it's big for him, you know what I mean? Like,
Yeah. Yeah,
and
no,
I
that's
get
true. That's
addicted.
true. Cause yeah, I mean, he probably gets like, I don't know, maybe like $30 a month with like chore allowance, you know. So it's, you know,
Yeah,
you're exactly right. You know, if I could switch that mentality to making that through the markets, yeah,
just like a reward thing, you know, pay him cash.
yeah.
Yeah.
What's this? And this hourly here close above this zone right here. See this little
That
area?
seems like an exhaustion candle,
Yeah,
which is very huge.
yeah. Abdelaziz wants to see the EA account. The MyFX book's actually posted here in the Telegram chat for it. I'll pull it up real quick. Here it is. Oh, time limit. What the hell's going on here? It's up 104%. Some losses right now though that it's holding.
Wow, that's awesome, Mike.
Yeah, this thing's pretty wild. I'm pretty
Well done.
surprised about this. Yeah, this is what it's currently in. But yeah, Abdelaziz, you can check that out in the Telegram chat whenever you want.
So we,
That the
so
EA?
we are,
Yeah, that was the EA. Yeah.
Wow. Does it have any open trades today?
Yeah, it's in I think it's in two German 30 cells.
So it picks at random where the markets that are favorable to trade.
Yeah. Yeah, well it trades German 30, it trades S&P 500 and then US 30. Trades those three pairs and then I honestly don't know how it works. Like I don't pay attention to it.
What about Nasdaq as well, right?
Yeah. Yep. Dan, what's up, man? How's it going? Let's have a blessed week. Absolutely. Let's have a profitable week. Peter, Raja is live. Will you guys move over there? Stay here? We'll probably stay here.
we can do both.
Yeah. Yeah.
Do both.
Yeah, I was looking at this GJ right here, and you know, I was looking at this because price. Here, let me grab my annotation thing. Because we had like, you know, this resistance form here that was created by these candles, and then these candles rejected it and started closing below. So I was like anticipating taking a sell as the lows were broken right here, but there's, you know, there's a support level right here and then another one right here. So I think we gotta wait for it to come down here.
Yeah, it's too dangerous.
Yeah. Yeah, if it was a little later in the session, we could probably anticipate volume to push it, but and then definitely at least be able to secure 10 pips. But yeah, and I was looking at this hourly here too, because it's kind of like, you know, we came up, created a high, a resistance, and we have a support here, so that would be the support breaking to correct this move.
Yeah, that makes sense actually. That really makes sense. I've seen that happen on gold
Yeah.
a few times. It goes from there. It's like a retest of support, of resistance, failure to break, then a continuation back down.
Yeah, absolutely. Yep. Abdelaziz Raja is a godfather. Yes. Yeah, he's
Right.
He is pretty.
Raj is the Don.
Yeah.
He's the mafia.
Yeah, literally changed my game, man, because of him.
I think it's changed everyone's game.
It's crazy how Raja has profited from the markets with his strategy of 10 pips, 15 pips. Like,
Bro,
consistency. You know what?
He deserves all that blessing, man. Like, he's blessed all of us with, like, you know, just new skills, you know what I mean? Like, he deserves all that. Bro, like,
Yeah.
he's taught us a lot.
Hell yeah, 100%. Yeah, completely changed my whole game.
And I like the fact that, do you know what I mean? He just doesn't show off with like the other guys, like with luxury cars and
Yeah.
and you know what I mean? Like he's just real. Do you know what I mean? He's like a family man, and you could relate to him. Like he used to work in factories and oil companies, and do you know what I mean? Like he's just done the hard yards and sales. So it's like, yeah, it's the real deal. Do you know what I mean? Like,
Yeah, and the only one that's really like transparent too, like showing like live trades like the way he is, you know. I mean, you don't see a lot of that.
Yeah, that's right. Who dares to open his MetaTrader for everyone to see and like trade on it? No one. Everyone just wants to post his trading view charts. So
Yeah.
explains how he think that
he's a great businessman, eh?
transparency is key, you know.
Mm.
You build trust.
I like Mike's as well. Mike's a gun. Mike's channel.
Yeah, yeah.
Bro, I'm gonna be back here tomorrow.
I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it.
All the support for you, brother. I'm gonna tell everyone.
Yeah, I appreciate it, man. Yeah, it's been fun. Like since I started doing the streams, it's been fun. Like you said, you know, trading's lonely, you know, like it's, and like a lot of people that like we communicate with on our real lives on a day-to-day basis, like they have no idea what this shit is, you know, so you can't really talk to them about it, and it's, yeah.
You're right. That's really right.
Yeah.
Like you take a damn loss and you're like, how do I even explain to this one I took a loss? Like I just lost $500. How do you
Yeah.
even tell someone? And like, what? You just lost $500?
But then they'll look at you like, oh, you're trying to scam, or you're in a scam, or
Yeah.
like, yeah.
Yeah, like my family is always worried that I'm getting scammed. I'm like, yeah, Jesus Christ, man. I'm like, God bless your heart, man. Like, I'm not getting scammed. I'm scamming the banks. Like,
Sure.
Yeah.
You're robbing them of the money.
yeah.
And it's funny how after all the suffering you go through, the adversity, and you really succeed, people really start asking, how did this happen? Like how?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I mean, when I quit my job for the first time, like, I think it was like 2016 or something, I quit my job. When I did that, like, my family was like, you know, go ahead and like get your freaking sleeping bag and go find a nice spot somewhere under a bridge, because like you're gonna be homeless. And I was just like, Jesus. I was like, man, thank you. Thank you for the good luck wishes.
Really?
Yeah, man. Yeah, because my family is like very like old school, you know. They go to college, you know, work a normal job, and
Yeah.
Got a degree and this
Yeah.
and the other.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're pretty right.
which, like, I mean, you can't blame them. They never really have been exposed to anything else, you know. Like my generation, I think, was probably like the first generation to really be exposed to like the potentials of making money a different way at a really young age, you know. Because like, shit, man, when I was a senior in high school, that's when like people were starting to be really big, like as far as like influencers on Instagram and shit like that, you know. So you started to see a lot of people like really making money online. So it was like a whole new perspective change, you know, as far as what you could do to be successful.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's totally right.
Well, you guys are millennials, aren't you? Millennials.
Yeah, if that's what you want to call it. Yeah, I'm 20. I'm 27.
Oh, dead sad. Well done, Mike. I'm like 40. I'm 48.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I'm 26.
Oh, you guys are young. I'm the old dog here.
Shit,
I
you're
see
young
myself
too.
Very old. I see myself like it's going, man.
Yeah,
I see
24. You're young
really
too.
going. I have to get these things. I have to get my shit together, like real quick.
It's a good time for you guys. I mean, like, so many young kids are making so much money online now. It's just unbelievable, you know, like e-commerce and stuff. And there's people living in Thailand, like young, like your age, and they're just 200,000 a year. You know what I mean? Not a year, 200,000 a month. They're living like kings over there.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's just unbelievable what you can do.
Yeah, it is, man. It is. It is for sure.
Are you doing any other thing, Mike? Are you like, do you have an online shop, or besides like Forex? Are you?
Yeah, currently I have some e-commerce investments that like a team handles. That I have like a team that's located in the Philippines. They run that whole business for me. And that's basically just drop shipping products off of Amazon and selling them on Facebook Marketplace and stuff like that. But yeah, that business does pretty well. That does currently like around 80,000 a month in sales. And then I got a cleaning business in Texas, a cleaning business as well.
Damn, bro. So you get 80 grand a month on that e-commerce.
Yeah, that's in sales, not in profit, in sales.
Wow, man. Was it hard to start?
Honestly, don't know anything about it.
Right. You just invested in it.
Yeah. So so I used to have a coaching business. Like I had a digital marketing agency that I started in like 2016. That's kind of like where I got like a lot of my social media following and stuff like that. And then I closed that agency down and turned it into a coaching business where I was teaching people how I grew that business, how I grew that marketing agency. And so I just shut that business down in August, that coaching business. And I had like 25 employees. They were all working in the Philippines and pretty much running that whole business for me. But like 3 or 4 of them approached me and they were like, hey, you know, this like last year, it was like October last year, they were like, hey, you know, you can drop ship products on Facebook, blah blah blah, like we've been doing this, like we know how to do it. And I was like, yeah, shit, I mean, I got a Facebook, you know. If you want to try it, go ahead. And so yeah, that's kind of how that came about. But I have no idea how they run it or anything. Like I don't really know what goes on. I just basically supply the money and that's it.
And collect the profits too, right?
Yeah.
Well done, that's good.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. What about you, Mohammed? How you going? Sorry.
I'm good. Actually, for me, I'm really invested in real estate. Yeah, I bought a couple land here and there. I feel like that, so I'm just invested in real estate, basically. So we just flip, like profit up something and then flip it and buy another one somewhere else. So that's what I'm looking at right now.
No.
Real estate's always good, man. Real estate is not gonna go anywhere. That's why I got into that's why I have the cleaning business, because that was like my mindset behind it, is like people are always going to be lazy. They're never, people are always going to not want to clean their homes, and there's always going to be homes to clean, and like there's always going to be more to clean, and et cetera, et cetera. So like that's how I got into that business, was just the mindset of like, yeah, this is never going anywhere. Yeah, real estate's solid.
Yeah. Yeah, that's totally right. That's totally right. It's a way to combat inflation, invest in there, and then inflation proof. So you're secure.
Yeah. I mean, at
Like
the end of the
you-
day with real estate, even if the market goes down, you just hold on to it and let it rebound. It's gonna correct itself. We've seen it here in the States numerous times. Like, then we had the 2008 housing market crash. I mean, people thought their lives were over, but within 4 or 5 years, the whole thing was corrected, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're not moving at all right now. So gold might try and make a push.
That could be the last of gold to keep on pushing up.
Yeah, really have a terrible range here though. Like 30-minute it doesn't look too bad, but on 15-minute this looks like, what in the hell? Like this looks terrible.
How many pips are there from that previous to that current resistance to the next resistance on the 15-minute?
This here? This here?
Yeah. To the next one.
27 pips or so. So yeah, we should be able to catch something there if it starts to close above.
Yeah, because now that seems like a fake out when it starts to close above.
Yeah, I've actually taken positions on this a lot of times. Like I've taken impulse entries based on, a candle closing bullish like this, bullish with no top wick, take an entry as the next one breaks a high. I've done that a lot of times. So we look at it as we have this zone here, and then yeah, just like you were saying, this candle's a fake out.
Yeah.
But yeah, I've taken a lot of times, like right there as it's breaking a high.
You know what? A better scenario will be which one? When that current bullish candle closes above that resistance, because now you're closing again back into that support that we broke previously. So the next candle wicks down a little bit, breaks up the high, and then it will be pushing back up.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, and the previous daily candle is mega bullish, so I mean, this candle very well could just, it could flip and continue buying. Like, it's highly unlikely, but it could. It's a long ways to move, but now this 4-hour candle, it has a strong rejection.
Now, while you have to looking at but looking at the daily, and you look at how the daily has been printing for almost last week, you see that when it has a very strong bullish push, the next candle just close like a small bearish candle. Then the next daily just breaks that high and then continues pushing bullish.
Yeah.
I've noticed that on the daily, like how the daily has been printing those previous days.
Yep. Yeah, you're right. Yeah. We're also above this zone over here too, this 1759 on the daily. We closed above it, so if we start closing below, I think it'll be like a fake out on the daily. But yeah, now the 4-hour is starting to give us a little bit better look. Remember when we were looking at it earlier, it looked like it was just gonna continue driving down to 1747 or so. But now with this rejection here, it looks a lot better to continue.
So right now you're trusting the previous daily to give you that volume to keep on pushing back up with the trend.
Yeah, and just looking at lower time frame fake outs too, you know. I think I would rather, at this point, you know, we got 6 minutes until 30-minute candle closes, so I'd rather wait and see this close, and if it can close above, I think it'll have a good opportunity to continue up.
Cookie is quiet. Cookie is actually my brother. He's here hiding actually. I'm seeing him.
Oh yeah.
Why is everyone hiding? What about Raj?
I don't know.
You got Raja on your thing, Mike. Is that Raja?
No, it's Raj. It's the OG Raj. He's cooler than Raja.
Yeah, OG, you know what I'm saying?
He's shy, huh?
Yeah, he's been supporting the stream
Getting
since
mic
it started.
Man's hiding. Man just wants to catch some peeps and take off.
Yeah, I don't blame him. I don't blame him.
That's Raja discussing something. About the 1 hour.
Oh
Sorry,
yeah.
Mike, man. Get the best of both worlds, you know what I mean?
Hell yeah.
Guys
I
really
love
look good in the game right now.
I love how, like, he abuses, not he abuses, like he makes fun of all his viewers, but everyone still loves going to visit his site. You know what I mean? Everyone loves seeing like his trades and like all these dumb questions. Like,
Yeah, it is pretty funny.
soon, Mike, you're gonna have some dumb questions when you have more people, eh?
Yeah, yeah. It's all good. We will welcome them. They help the algorithm.
Yeah, definitely.
Sure, yeah.
Talking about that, let's put a like on your live.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, everyone put a like.
Yeah, it's always pretty dry when Raja's live. When he's live, it's pretty dry, but when he's not live, like there'll be like 30 people on here usually.
Yeah.
They'll be back soon. Raja is soon finishing.
Yeah,
Raja
it's
after
gonna,
NY is gone.
Yeah.
it's gonna grow.
Yeah, and I mean, quite honestly, like, I mean, I would be sitting here, you know, just trading anyways, you know, whether I was streaming or not, you know. So that's why I like started doing it, because I was just like, you know, might as well like, you know, make some connections with people. Maybe I can help some people. And that's also where it kind of came from, is like a lot of people started to ask me, you know, like how to get into Forex, you know, stuff like that. And I was just like, man, I don't know, you know, just like watch me trade, you know. So
Oh, it's definitely good. Why trade by yourself when you can trade with others?
yeah, 100%.
It makes it a lot more easy and build a lot of confidence when you have people who are taking the same trades as you, managing the risk, same risk like you're doing, all this, you know.
Take the pain together.
Yeah.
how you guys doing with psychology? That's the hardest part. Like,
Oh,
are you guys disciplined or?
Yeah, I think I think I'm pretty good with it. Like I don't really have any problems like mentally, you know. I don't know. I've lost a shit ton of money like since I've been in business. I don't really have any attachments to money like that. So, and I also like I'm pretty disciplined as far as like only risking 1% per trade, only taking one trade per day, things like that. So, you know, psychology is not too bad, but that used to fuck with me for a long time. It took me a long time to get that under control. Like I would revenge trade like crazy. I mean, like for a long time, I would like put $1,000 into an account. I would lose it in like a day, and then like the next day I would deposit 1,000. You know, I was like, Jesus. But yeah, I had some rough times for a while, honestly. But that's what I mean. Like earlier when I was saying, you know, Raja really changed it for me. Like that's where a lot of it came from, was the psychology. You know, like I knew how to catch profitable setups before I came across Raja. Like I was already aware of that, but like what I couldn't do was get out of my own way. You know, that's where I was like struggling.
And you learn, I think you learned how to like not think too much about money. Like when you lose money, it's like, do you know what I mean? It's like it's gone. Like you're not gutted. Do you know what I mean? Like I don't know. It's just, even when you profit, like you're happy that you profit, but it's like it's not. I don't know how to explain it. It's not like you're really excited. Do you know what I mean? It's like it's a part of the game.
Yeah.
Like what Muhammad's saying. Yeah.
It's just a business, you know. It's a business at this point. And that's gonna close with no wick.
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
And broke the high like instantly. This is the same thing that just happened right here.
Yeah, sure, yeah.
No top
How
wick
does the
or
1
bottom
hour
wick.
look like?
1 hour breaking the highs. Looks pretty solid here. I mean,
Yeah.
yeah, that no top wick though. I mean, I guess what we could anticipate to happen here is, because of this, we might see a bearish candle print maybe on 15-minute or something, and it might give us like the resistance that we need to break to continue.
Yeah.
But yeah, I was about to look for buys right here as this candle was closing, but then I saw the no wick situation. I'm like, oh geez, here we go again with these rejections, just like we saw right here. And it also did it like right at this zone here too. This was a past rejection zone, just as that same level here. Yeah.
So should we? So just wait for that second candle to close.
Yeah, that's what I think. At least a 15-minute candle. Yeah. Yeah, because who knows? I mean, we might get some sort of push down, and then if we can close like weak bearish or something like that, that would look really good for the buys to continue. I mean, the other thing that you could do, which I think would be a little bit risky, would be taking the buys like as it goes to break its own high now. So since it's now going to drive down and create the lower wick, you could look to take an entry as it's breaking its own high and then continue, but that's a little risky in my opinion. This is also something that I've talked about like quite a lot, is we have closed above, you know, this support resistance level, but at the same time, you know, we've moved 26 pips in the last two candles, so it's not too much, you know, it's not too strong of a move. But a lot of times, like I've noticed, like when we have like these breakout situations, prices like moving from the bottom or the top of a range, like this is a good example right here actually, is, you know, like earlier we had this level right here from these rejections, and then we had this level right here from these rejections. Now this candle closed below, but like price had already moved this far when it closed below. So taking a sell right here would be really risky because, like, I don't know how many pips this is, but it looks like 50 pips or something, you know, this range. So taking a sell as the low's broken here, you know, price had already moved 50 pips. How much more can you expect it to move, you know? So I've noticed, like, waiting for some sort of pullback in these situations is a little bit better.
That's totally right. That makes sense.
But yeah, we'll see. It's still early too. I mean, it's only 7:33, so still like at least a solid 2-3 hours left in the session before, you know, volume's gonna start dying out for sure. So
It looks pretty nice. So
GJ, yeah,
yeah, pretty solid. Very nice setup. And have that close there. Oh,
yeah, I agree. Just this one zone right here, which with volume we can probably expect that to break, but same type of thing that I was just talking about here too. You know, like the last two 30-minute candles have moved 40 pips or so. So, you know, a break and close below would be nice, but it would be even nicer to have some sort of support to form right below here, and then we can continue.
yeah. Gold is saying bye-bye.
He's leaving already?
Yeah?
Yeah, he has
So
been.
Roger's,
He has
So
been
Roger-
leaving early.
hey Mike, so Roger reckons like he started with a $50,000 account and he's made like 6 million on it. And he's showing on his effects book.
Yeah, that was in March 2021
Yep.
when he began that account. The 50,000 to 6 million right now.
Yeah, I remember he started that account when he opened the broker, when he opened Dominion Markets.
Dominion, yeah, exactly, yeah.
All right, so when he opened Dominion Markets, he started $50,000. Put that in that account.
Yeah. Yeah, because I remember when he opened Dominion, he left Vantage FX, and I think he withdrew like 500,000 or 800,000. It was something like ridiculous, and that he was trading on. And then I remember like he only put like 50 grand into Dominion Markets, and people were like, whoa, you know, like, what are you doing? And he was like, no, I'm just gonna build this up throughout the year. You know, we'll see what happens. But yeah, he took that thing to like freaking, I think it was like 1.5 million in the first year or something.
Yeah.
I was just
Sure.
like, holy.
But would you like if you had like won like 2 million profit, would you trust that brokerage and would you keep like 2 million?
That's tough, honestly. It's tough. I
Right.
mean, like I use Dominion Markets, so like with Dominion, I think I would trust it. But it's tough, you know, like especially with what we just saw happen with FTX, you know, like that shit's crazy, you know, and like the reality is like businesses go out of business all the time, you know, businesses file bankruptcy all the time, you know, it is what it is, like, so like we can't be ignorant to it, you know, it could happen with any broker, you know, with anything, any business that we invest in, whatever, you know, it could happen. But I don't know, I mean, I just like I look at it for like what Raja is in it for, and you know I trust like him as a person, you know, like what he has behind. Like he's got a lot of other like ways to make money other than the Dominion Markets broker, you know. So like that's kind of the thing. Like I see a lot of like these rug pull situations happen when people are just relying on one thing, you know. But yeah, that's a good question though. I mean, right now my broker account has like 18,000 in it, and even that like makes me feel a little like ooh. You know, I would be pretty pissed off if that went bye-bye. You know.
Trading your account to 1 million, I cannot live.
Yeah.
I wouldn't, because Raja did have I think he was telling us about crypto, like he in Canada, and it was a lot of money. It was like 60 or 80,000, right? And the company went bust, just like FTX, and he couldn't get that money back.
Yep.
Quadriga effect.
Yeah.
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 And he reckons like it wasn't just his money. It was like mates of his as well. So you know, like that's a tough decision. Like, what do you do?
Yeah.
I mean, he said he paid his mate back, but like.
Yeah, I'd be like, sorry, man, I'm broke. Sorry. Yeah. Some shit went down south, man.
He spoke about that where he had to pay something like 0.5.
Yeah.
It was a tough time for him. With all that situation of Quadriga involved as well.
Yeah, that would be tough. That would be a tough situation. But I mean, like that's the thing. That was a regulated broker too.
Yeah, sure.
Quadriga was, and that's why he always talks about it. That's why he always talks about like, yo, I don't know, because like people shit on Dominion Markets all the time because it's not regulated or whatever, and he's like, yeah, I mean, but it's nothing different, you know. If anything, like you probably have more trust in an unregulated broker because you know they don't have to follow all the bullshit rules and pay all the fees and all this shit, you know.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I almost think it's like it's better to deal with like an unregulated broker because you know that they're just kind of operating under good faith, you know.
Yeah, that's right.
But yeah, the FTX stuff is wild. I mean, like, I was just watching the World Series, you know, the World Series, like, that was like 2 weeks ago or something, you know, last week. And, you know, the fucking umpires, man, they were sponsored by FTX. They had FTX on their uniforms, you know, and I was just like, damn, you know, like, you know, they sponsored the, they sponsored the Miami Heat's, you know, stadium, you know, just like FTX arena, like as big as can be. You know, it's like that's what's crazy to me is like how it happened with them after they were like so big, you know, as far as like sponsorship and all that type of shit.
All the money went into advertisements.
Yeah. Yeah, legit. Yeah, I think
but they didn't make the returns that were supposed to be.
It came back that like they had like I think it was like 9 billion in assets with like, or no 900 million in assets with like 9 billion in creditors or something like that. Like that's a bad position to be in right there.
Did you hear what Andrew Tate said about the FTX?
No.
Andrew Tate goes, why would you fucking trust a kid that's a billionaire and still drives a Toyota Corolla?
Yeah.
I'm sure something's shifting.
Yeah.
And Toyota is savage, you know.
Which I mean, like, he's kind of right. Like, why would, like, he's got so much money. Why would you drive you're trying to be humble, but like he's like saying those are the type of people are the ones that really rip you off more than those big billionaires that show cars and everything, because he loves cars, you know. It's just funny. You guys should watch it.
Yeah, no, No, it's true. It's true. I mean, it's true.
Andrew takes money, man.
If I was a billionaire, I would definitely have some exotic shit.
You gotta. I mean, you work hard for it.
Yeah. Yeah, damn, we're just ranging here. Sheesh. It's terrible. It's terrible. And gold is just gonna make a little push without us.
Yeah.
All good. There's still a lot of room left in this range though, so
On the 1 hour, yeah.
yeah. Yeah, even 30 minutes pretty clean up. 15 minute we see this little area here, but
1 minute for the 15 minute to close.
yeah.
Probably.
See, Roger's saying he's taking a gold, buy on gold.
Yeah, see this.
Yeah, I knew you'd do that because
44 minutes.
Yeah, see the thing with that is like I've noticed him do this a lot lately. You know, like prices already moved. You know, 44 pips, 40 pips. You know, 50 pips. Taking a buy at this point is just risky, in my opinion.
buying
Yeah,
the
it is,
highs.
man.
Man.
But I've seen him do this a lot lately, and I mean, it usually plays out for him. Like this is probably gonna play out for him, but
He's trying to push the markets.
yeah, I'm just like shit, man. He's like calling his buddies or something, like, "Hey, I'm gonna take a buy. Like, make me look good on the stream."
Ted.
But I see him do that a lot, where like he will take like buys or sells like when all the highs or all the lows are broken, and I'm just like, man, that is so risky, in my opinion. But it like,
Passive entries.
yeah, it plays out like a good amount of times though. I mean,
He looks
But you know the thing with Raja is that he's good at risk management.
yeah,
You know when
Yeah.
to close.
yeah, he's very good at knowing when the trade is going bad.
He doesn't think, he just like does it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But for you, you'll have second thoughts. Should I close? Should I just wait a little bit? I think to
Yeah.
push.
Yeah,
And then
me
by,
too.
by,
I'm still at
by the
that
time you
stage.
realize it, too late.
I'm still at that stage too. It's like, should I?
yeah, yeah. Just like Raj said here too. Raj said, "I'm not taking it in live stream. Raja is unlucky." Yeah, yeah. In the live stream, he has been taking a lot of losses lately. But I mean, in that, with that said too, I mean, like New York session's been pretty crappy lately.
Yeah, London has been the best.
Yeah,
Pretty lovely, man.
yeah. If I didn't have anything to do during the day, I would probably just trade during London. 24. What time is it over there? It's getting late for you, right? It's like 10 p.m. or something.
Yeah, man. It's 10:46 p.m.
Yeah.
So
Where? Philippines?
No, he's in Australia.
Australia,
Oh, Australia. Oh, man.
Queensland, right in the centre. It's bloody hot here.
It hits 3:47 p.m.
Nice. 3:40. Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's solid. Yeah, I used to work with some guys out in Australia, and I would always have to do meetings with them at like 6 a.m. because it would be late as shit over there. Do you know who Jay Piggin is? 24K?
Jay Piggin.
Yeah,
No.
gotcha. He's
Get him on the.
he's a pretty big like fitness influencer out there in Australia. I used to work with him.
Oh yeah.
But it's funny because he's into Forex trading now, so it's funny. I haven't talked to him in a while though. We kind of had a little falling out, so
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he got pissed off at me. It's all good though.
You're getting more bigger than him, eh?
Yeah. No, that dude's big as fuck, man. He's huge.
So you're gonna move to Dubai, Mike, when you make it to get away from taxes, just like Raja is doing.
Yeah. I was actually talking to my CPA about that not too long ago. Yeah.
Me and Mohammed's gonna follow you.
Yeah. I mean, I probably won't move there, but definitely like I was talking to like my CPA about like what Raja did, and he was like, yeah, no, I looked it up, you know, it seems like it's exactly like he was explaining. So but yeah, I was looking it up, like we were talking about it, like you don't have to have a residency there or anything. It's pretty crazy.
Yeah, imagine how much money he's saving. Like he's not paying any tax.
Yeah, I mean, in the States here, I mean, because in the States you got to pay capital gains tax on trading, so it's like 40%.
See?
It's terrible.
I've been living in Abu Dhabi for the past 4 years. I just came back this year to Uganda.
Okay.
Pretty nice there. Yeah. I have
Lovely.
family there actually, so I've been living with them. They're my relatives, so it's pretty nice there. You know, the way the government is really taking care of their citizens is out of here. You can't find it anywhere else.
In Dubai?
Which country gives their citizens houses, like free houses?
In Dubai they do that?
Yeah, in Abu Dhabi they do that.
Yeah.
Like there are shopping malls you go to that these local people, the citizens, they're given discounts. This is paid by the government.
Yeah.
But Mohammed, isn't that they're looking after their own race? Is that right?
What?
Like, is it they only look after their own race? Like their race? Like I know like there's Pakistanis over there that are working in building construction, and it's pretty like bad, you know, conditions.
Yeah, it's pretty intense actually with the conditions, and the pay bill is really less actually. People are paid, let's say, 1,000 dirhams. 1,000 dirhams, that's probably like $300. Even less, like $270, like that a month, and given accommodation plus transport. Sometimes other companies provide food for them.
Yeah, so they're only looking after their race, I think. Is it?
Yeah, when it comes to things like more developmental things like infrastructure, things like that, of course they will have to really take care of their people first before they really look.
Like
See how
Australia,
we can help them.
like Australia and America. I mean, we're kind of like similar, like, you know, like the whole, do you know what I mean? Like it's the whole country where just like, yeah, but I think over there it's I've got a feeling it's still unfair unless you're bringing money to the country.
The thing is that you can never be a citizen of that country if you're not a citizen. So basically, if you're someone from outside, you can only be a resident, but you never be a citizen. So their passport is not easy to acquire. And the only way you can acquire that passport is, I guess it's only ladies who can do so. And them acquiring that passport, they have to first give birth to 5 children.
Oh fuck.
And then the husband has to accept for that lady to acquire that passport. Because, you know, long time ago, before that rule came, these people had a problem because their men could go out and get these ladies married probably from Morocco. You know Morocco in Africa? Yeah, so that these Moroccan ladies used to come just to attain the passport of UAE, and later on they divorce and get their husbands from Morocco. Those boyfriends they left way back behind.
Yeah.
So this was a problem to the country now. You know, the country is inviting more people to become citizens, but at the end of it, they are taking care of what they're not supposed to be taking care of.
Yeah.
So that became a problem. So they had to do what? They had to come up with rules. For a man, you can never get the passport. However much you rich you are, however much you whatever, even if you marry a local lady, you'll never get the passport.
Yeah.
You just become a resident. Be a permanent resident.
Yeah.
That's crazy, man.
And your kids will just take your passport as a man. They won't take the mother's passport. So you see, so it is pretty hard to really attain their passport. It's never easy.
It's what.
Cannot.
It's one of
There's
those.
no way.
It's one of those countries where, if you got money, it's good to live. If you're if you're doing a
Yeah,
good,
exactly.
you got a
Yeah,
good business.
yeah. It's all about money there. So if you really got the money, then you're going to really live lavish.
Yeah.
No problem. But if you're really a hustler, then it's not gonna be easy. Unless you have a really better job that is going to really pay you well.
Yeah, the world's crazy, man. I travel a lot too, so
You know, the thing is, it is easier, like right now, it is easier to go to these Arab countries because it is easier to acquire their visas rather than going to Europe. It could be hard for you to go to Europe rather than going to these Arab countries. So they made life easier. They made it easier for people to really approach their countries and really find labor, because now when a country like that needs labor, they'll have to really make access to their visa really easy and quick to get. And at the end of the day, the easier you get the visa, the low wages you're going to find there. So that has been a challenge there.
man, the pound yen's just consolidating.
Yeah, I was looking at this right here because pretty strong like close at a support level, but yeah, this is just a range. This is just a big range. I don't think it's gonna be smart to take a trade inside of there.
Said it earlier on, character building day.
Yeah.
Man, the price has already moved like 80 pips, 90 pips on GJ. So
Yeah, and I was looking at this here on gold. I mean, the way that this could have been caught on gold was like the break of the hourly high.
yeah, that was a better entry.
Yeah, that would have been the best place to enter there on the break of the hourly
That's
high.
why I wanted to. That's where I wanted to enter from when I asked you to check the hourly, but by the time we checked, it had already gone, so I knew
Yeah.
there's no need to enter.
Yeah, and right at that time was when this 30-minute candle was closing, and then it had no top wick. So yeah, it would have been
Better entry there.
yeah. But yeah, I mean, hopefully we can see some sort of pullback on gold and then a continuation. But yeah, I mean, this
Yeah, anyway,
honestly
it's
looks
coming in
like
about
pretty
4 minutes,
shitty.
right? NY Open comes in 4 minutes.
Yeah, yep. Yeah, we might.
That's some time for gold to do something.
Oh
Like
yeah.
NYC, the corner, and all that.
Oh yeah, plenty of time. Plenty of time.
Have you ever been there? By the moment you leave the charts, everything starts moving, and by the time you come back, you find all moves have just happened. I'm like, hey,
Yeah.
and then when your psychology is not in place, then you start fidgeting to find the trade now.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. That used to be like a big problem for me too, honestly, was just like forcing trades because I wanted to take a trade during the session, or But yeah.
You really gotta have psychology built in, and just like now I don't even check my apps like during the day. Like I'll only like check it at say at the end of Asian market, and then start of start of London market, and then New York pre London, and then pre New York. That's when I'll check it.
Yeah, that's solid. Yeah, that's solid.
You tend to do stupid things like, oh shit, that trade looks good, and like you just end up trading it, you know. Like,
yeah, that has really happened to me a couple of times.
Yeah, it happens to me a lot in Asian.
You trade when you're not supposed to trade, just because you've seen some sort of setup that really looks nice.
yeah, and
But
like
back in your mind, you forget that there isn't any volume in the market.
yeah, and like sometimes I trade when the like, you know, you should wait for the candle to close, like the 30-minute candles. Some trades you need like the 30 minutes. Some trades you need 15. But I'll tend to like, I know like I should wait for that 30-minute candle, the second candle to close on the 30-minute as it breaks the zone. But you know, I just get too excited because I've been waiting all day. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And it's just like, now I just stuff it up and it just goes back down. So
Yeah, 100%.
now that's breaking. Gold's just broken 1761.
Yeah, it's moving pretty good here. I mean, at this point, I mean, if we look at it, like, it's overall, like, I mean, as far as like the direction, in my opinion, you know, I don't really pay attention to trend lines like this, but it, you know, we have like something like this happening, you know, like some sort of channel like this. So I'm almost thinking like we might.
There you go.
I'm almost thinking we might be able to start see some rejection, and then we can come retest these lows that were created.
So you're waiting for the lows.
Yeah, I think that's gonna be best. I mean, especially at this point, because I mean, I don't.
Right.
It's not a. In my opinion, it's not a good idea to buy. Like, if we close, like, say for example, if this candle just closed above the 1762 zone, I mean, taking a buy to continue to 1765 is pretty risky. So, since this was like a low created for the session, I think if we can get a resistance to form, then candles break the low, continue to go down, I think that would be better.
Yeah. You've got good risk management, Mike.
Yeah. Try to think about things. I've one thing that really helped me out is like I was like really strict, where I still am. I'm like really strict about just taking one trade per day. So like that makes me want to make sure that trade is the best possible trade that I can take, you know. So a lot of times I'll sit out on a lot of things, you know, just because I'm like, I'm not too sure, you know, I don't want that to be my one trade, you know.
Yeah. I mean,
It
even
gives you
if
time to think logically.
You broke up there on us, Harith, I think.
it's actually good doing this together.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you now, yeah.
Yeah, we can hear. It's actually good doing this together.
Yeah,
Like,
100%.
it gives you time to really think
Because,
logically.
Because maybe, I don't know, maybe I would have went for that trade, you know what I mean? Like, just out of boredom, you know what I mean? Like, out of boredom, I was like, oh, fuck it, give it a go, you know? But then, like, yeah,
Yeah, for sure.
it's just, and the thing is, like, you know you shouldn't have done that trade. You know you shouldn't, like, it was just the wrong thing, but you're just bored, like, you're itchy, do you know what I mean? Like, so I'm getting to the end of that stage, Mohammed. I'm getting to the end of that stage where, like, nah, gotta be serious, you know, gotta, like, every trade is like your last bullet.
Yeah, volume is now doing a really pretty job now.
No trade. You trade the FOMC? Oh, what up? Happened to Mike?
FOMC?
Yeah. When FOMC's on, are you daring to jump in, Mohammed? Are you?
No.
I did it once, man. I
It
just
depends,
lost a lot of money.
Yeah, FOMC. I've lost money also with FOMC actually. I've did it, and I guess NFP.
Yeah, I tried that
Yeah.
one too. But then now I'm not touching anything.
So you no longer
Okay.
trade them.
I
The
stay away
news.
from the news, yeah. But Raja does it, like he waits and then he jumps in, like
Yeah,
This is-
you know.
he's just experienced, yeah. 7 years, I think 7 years.
Experience and is confident and is just risking very less. 6 years now.
No, I think it's more than that.
No, it's that.
What
It's that
is-
because it started way back in 2016.
2016, 17, 19, 20, 22. Fuck. He's advanced.
You know, when you
Like-
give trading, the issue with trading is that it's so boring that if you don't, like, if you're out of the live markets, sometimes you feel lazy to do something that is really supposed to be done that can help you in your trading. So being here right now, you feel like you're so bored. Things are not moving. So what if you go in and just do simulation and backtest? Sometimes it becomes so boring and it really gives people hard time to do. People
why it's
enjoy
good.
the live markets more than
Yeah. That's why it's good that Mike's doing this, you know, because like
trading is so boring. It's a boring profession.
we get paid
Yeah,
to
but
wait.
it's better when you have like you have a group or people you're trading with. It really helps you very much.
Yeah.
Being
Yeah,
alone on
definitely.
your computer, I would assure you that you would have already taken some damn trades that you were not even sure of.
Yeah, yeah.
You look at things
I
that are
agree.
not even there. You try imaginate price will do this.
Yeah. I had a bad week last week just doing dumb shit. And I knew better. Serious, I knew better.
Yeah. Yeah. And one thing that had really killed me is trading on the lower time frames. Trying
I
to
think-
catch those 1 minute moves.
I think everyone's done that. I think that's what I did at the start. So I've been training for three years now.
Oh,
3
wow.
years. It's only since 2 months ago I started making good money, you know.
Yeah.
What's from Mike to everyone? I don't know what's going on. Oh, he's
Yeah.
his audio
He's having
stuff.
some issues.
I just bought a 10K account from Elton, and he's like, yeah, you just bought a $10,000 account from MFF. There's a 90% chance you're gonna lose that. And I said that.
So
Raj is
how
still live.
yeah, Raj is still alive. So is this your first time on with Mike's thing or?
No. I've been with Mike
Yeah.
So later on, he came up with this idea. We came up with this idea of him starting up the Zoom sessions. So now we're here.
Yeah. We're your day one, Mike. We're your day one.
Yeah, we're day one. We're day one.
Day one. We're your day one, man. So when you start having 2,000 people, don't forget us, huh? We're your day one.
Yeah,
hey,
don't Mike, never to forget
hey,
the guys.
Mike,
Never to forget the
we
OGs.
want free shit.
Mike.
Me and Mohammed just already spoke. We want free shit when you become real big.
Yeah.
We're your day one.
Mike, you got that? You've been told you're day ones, you're OGs, you know. When things start to hit those 50,000 days, 100,000 days, 100,000. You gotta shout out to all my day ones.
Don't forget us, mate. Don't forget us.
Your speaker still has some problems, Mike.
Yeah, we can't hear you, Mike. I think his microphone is not working or...
Yeah. It's got some issues. It's being sorted. Mike, can you hear us? Oh.
One day my father was holding his influences around and rubbing it. Yeah, exactly. Gotta be something about Forex going on. We're trying to make it profit.
Are you saying hello, hello?
Just go. Do you have any advice? Yep.
Yeah, we can hear you.
It's quite far though.
A bit low, yeah.
They all night started with 20,000 and now my account is at 15,000. Wow.
So when I first started profiting, Mohammed, I took out, like, I took out most of the money, but then I put it back. But then I'm like, I remember Raj is like, go buy something. So I end up buying like, you know, this Casio watch, just to
remind you of the struggle.
Just to remind me, yeah. So it was a good idea. Like it motivates me, you know. Even though it's Casio, it's just cheap.
But it's still something you got out from trading. That's money from trading, you know.
Yeah, it's from the markets, better, you know. So it's just it's just
place it there and like you watch.
So I can see it and
motivation right there.
Yeah, man. It's hard to get motivated sometimes, especially when you're always on the L and just, you know.
Yeah, sure.
Can you guys hear me?
Trading is the easiest way. To get, like, there's always they term it like it's the hard way to get easy money.
Yeah, absolutely, man. But then it's been good, you know, like as long as you're patient, you know, as long as you stay patient and
Can you guys hear me
good
now?
things take time, you know.
Can you hear us, Mike?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, your microphone's a bit low, so the volume, so you probably want to turn it up. And also, like, I remember when I started doing two things at one time. Like, I do tattoos, so I was tattooing, and then watching the charts. But you can't do that, you know, like either you're focused, like, yeah.
Focus has to be on the charts,
And-
you know.
And I tend to not have a good trading day when I'm doing two things.
Can't serve two masters at a go.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. It's telling me that it's okay and it's not.
Maybe it's, all the pins inserted very well.
I'm just gonna make some coffee, guys. So,
No worries, no worries.
do you want some coffee? I'll make some coffee. Mike, you want a coffee?
Yeah.
How many shillings? Mohammed,
Yo,
you want some Turkish coffee?
no worries, no worries. I'm around, brother. Thank you.
Test, test.
Can you like reset all the settings?
That's what I'm trying to do.
You can be hard, but it's just low.
Yeah, because I think what it's doing is it's pulling the microphone from my computer. It's using that.
Oh,
Oh, but wait a second here.
yeah. It's like you're not using the real microphone. You're just using the micro, like, without the microphone, just that piece, that mouthpiece on the PC.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what's happening.
Yeah, it seems like the mic is not really connected.
Yeah, that's what's happening.
Oh, everyone
Does
disappeared.
it work? Is it better now?
What
Better
happened?
now?
But
No. I don't know what's going on.
What happened? Where's everyone going? Can you guys hear me or?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can hear you. You guys can't hear me though, right? Or
Yeah, I
Can hear you.
Oh, there you go.
is it low or does it sound perfect?
Strange, man.
I don't think you can hear me, dude.
Tell us that what. Yeah, no, like he's hearing Raja's voice in the background, so he's like he's asking who's explaining. Yeah, that was Raja just in the background, but
Oh,
so
no, because
good.
you can hear it now, right?
Yeah, I can hear him right now.
Now turn off. I'm gonna start inviting more people from my list, Mike, to come to your let me do it now. So we got more people, more fun.
Helps with the algorithm.
Hey, bro, Mike, how are you, bro?
Yo, how are you?
Yeah, I am fine. You took the trade in gold after
Nah,
break.
not yet really.
No?
Mike hasn't taken any trade yet.
I was busy because I was waiting for a trade there. I took the trade on gold 30 minutes. I broke.
Buy?
Broke 15. Yeah, I bought 15 pips.
Oh, that's nice.
When broke the high of previous candle, previous 30 minutes, it respects the previous low and breaks the high. No, it was totally 3 minutes leave, 3 minutes trade maybe. Within 3 minutes, I took 15 pips. No, because volume is shifting right now. Pre-New York to maybe NYSE. That's why momentum. Market has some momentum. No call a day. I already took 2 trades today. No, one in pre-London and one in pre-New York.
Yeah. I just also took only 1 trade on GJ and that was about it.
GJ by morning? At morning or?
Yeah, after London opened there, it was actually
yeah. That time I took trade in gold. That's why I didn't took in GJ. But GJ trade was very good because it was a break of 30 minutes maybe, and sharp move. Previous candle 30 minutes break and sharp move in GJ. Today GJ was good in London.
What's going on? Where's this quote?
This is GJ consolidation area.
Sadaquat.
Making lower low again and again. Maybe it will block this area and cover the London move. Maybe it will come this left. Yeah, bro. Yeah. How are you? You are new, yeah? What's your name? No, I am talking with you. What's your name? 24K.
Yeah, how you going, Sadaquat?
Yeah. Sadaquat.
Did I say that right?
Yeah. Howdy, bro. Where are you from?
I'm from Australia.
Australia. Nice
Yeah.
to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Then please come continue in June, okay?
Sorry,
Mike.
Mike, can you hear me? Mike?
Yeah, we can. I can hear you. I don't think you guys can hear me good though.
Yeah. Jump in the conversation, brother.
Can you hear me good though?
Yeah, it's pretty low. You got to turn your volume up.
It's coming through the wrong microphone. Is the problem? I can't get it to
Dead
connect to
set.
this.
We can still hear you,
My
but
computer,
I guess it's
think,
very
far
low.
away.
No problem, everything.
What happened to Mohammed, man? Where's Mohammed?
He left us.
Mohammed, I made you a coffee, man. Mohammed just left. I made him a coffee. He just leaves it. Fuck.
Yeah, I think this
Golden
gold should
moon,
keep
huh?
pushing right here. So resistance right here though. 30-minute and hourly.
Everything's in consolidation and.
Can't figure out my microphone problem, so I can't figure it out. So I got too much shit open, I think.
Oh, you got music.
Yeah, it's been playing, but I didn't realize it wasn't sharing. It wasn't on Zoom.
No, it's good, man.
But man, this is irritating me. I don't know why this is happening.
We have any news today? Or no news?
No news.
No news?
Then
Then market will be choppy. Little bit choppy, yeah?
But how's it sound now? Is it good?
Yep. Yeah, man. That's it.
Hi,
That's
I'm
it,
Patel.
brother.
Hi, I'm Patel.
Oh, what the fuck?
Hey,
just happened?
Patel. What's up?
What the fuck just happened here?
Hi, I'm Patel.
Oh, here we go.
That's it, man. That's perfect.
Perfect, we're good.
I'm from Dagestan. Dagestan, Hasbullah, Habib.
Hey,
Whoa, who's
hey,
this?
Patel, man.
You know Khabib, yeah? He's from Dagestan, yeah?
My
Hey,
father,
Habibi.
Dagestan. My father, Kadyrov.
Whoa, what's going on here?
Kadyrov,
Oh, now it's purple.
Kadyrov from Chechnya.
My shit's going all wacky.
I am
today, man.
Dagestan. Dagestan, Habib.
Your computer's
Habib
fucking
Asu.
weed, bro.
This
Yeah.
thing is going crazy.
Last 6 years I lived there, bro, in Dagestan. Last 6
This
years.
is going crazy.
I do know Ishak. Do you know Ishak?
Внимание, внимание, все зрители, я ебал ваших мамок, ваших бабушек и ваших дедушек, блядь. Ебал я вас, ебал ваших свиней там, блядь. Ебал...
Whoa.
You say a bad word.
Go sex.
I don't know what's happening here, dude. Oh, it's
Hello,
these guys,
hello,
these fucking
we from Ukraine. Slava Ukraini, bro. Yeah.
Please help me. I am from Ukraine. I'm Patel. Please
You
help
love
me.
Ukraine.
Oh, we're gonna have to kick these guys out.
You
Hello.
love Ukraine.
I am
Я
president.
мишка
I am
Гумибер,
president
растущий
of
Гумибер.
Ukraine.
Alright,
А-ля-ля-ля-ля.
Что-то гондонская.
Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a yummy, tummy, funny. Cause I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a moving bear.
Бро, деньги, да, скинь мне на
Мам, купи мне клюшку, ебать, я буду хоккеистом.
Think I'm singing gummy bear. Oh yeah. Gummy, gummy, gummy bear. Gummy bear.
Alright, I'm kicking all these guys out.
Oh, I'm a gummy bear.
Alright, they're all fucking gone. See, that's how they can ruin the Zoom for us, man. Alright, I'm gonna have to change the settings on this. That shit is ridiculous.
I won't talk, okay? I won't talk.
They are all Russians, yeah.
Lucky I didn't miss anything there. Fucking bastard.
Totally bastard.
Yeah, what the fuck?
You know,
I couldn't figure out why my
no.
fucking screen was going crazy, man. I was like, what the hell?
No.
It's going red.
Я ебал ваших два придурки.
Man,
No,
I'm gonna kick this
I-
thing down.
I understand what they told because I know Russian also. No, they told me very bad words. No, that is. They're from Pakistan.
I don't know how to change the settings. How do I change the fucking settings?
Because bro, you know the Russians are totally hell of. No, they are knowing about the internet scams. No, that's all. That's. I just thought, what is happening in group, bro? Then I listened. They are Russians. No, everything is cool right now. Mike, bro, you took any trade today?
No, nothing yet.
No, gold was maybe very. That was a good trade. I took the trade 15 pips maybe. I was busy just, that's all.
Yeah, I haven't taken
No.
anything yet.
That entry was very, very amazing in call because it was broke just 30 minutes and retraced, respect the low of previous candle and just sharp move. Oh, you are listening to Raja?
Oh, I've got it on.
Yeah, it's 24K.
Do you want me to turn it off? I'll just.
Oh, Oh, okay. Oh, he's live maybe today. Yeah?
Mike,
Are you in group?
You've been trading for a while. Oh, sorry, guys. Sorry, was that
Are you
Sandeep?
with Raza?
No, I had
You
it
are
on
in the
before.
Raza group
No, I had it on before.
before?
Hmm.
Oh, okay. No, he's now live, eh?
Yeah, he's live now.
On. I understand, bro. Yeah, please continue.
Yeah, we're consolidating. Fuck.
Yeah, consolidating. Maybe after opening NY,
SE.
volume shifted to NYSE. This is the waiting game overall.
Yeah, we get paid to wait.
Yeah. No.
But Mike's the man.
waiting.
Mike's the man, Sadiq. So we're gonna.
Thank you, man. By the
You
way,
know,
I'm
we're
kicking
gonna-
everybody out right now, so if anybody comes in that we know, sorry about it, but I'm kicking them all out. I gotta figure out these settings first,
Oh, okay, yeah.
because that shit was ridiculous. I didn't even know what the hell was going on there. I was like, what the hell?
So they could actually come and draw stuff on your monitor, on your.
Yeah.
How did they do that?
Yeah, that's why I was like, well, I kept thinking that my computer was glitching or something. I was like, what the fuck's going on? But yeah,
No, because bro, Russians are the best hackers in the world.
Yeah.
They are hacking, bro. They are hacking. They are grouped.
Man, I hope they didn't get into your computer or something. Like.
No, they kept trying to request access though. I was like, what the fuck, man? Get out of here. It kept like popping up on my screen like fucking whatever their names were trying to request.
Yeah.
I was like, jeez, man.
They are totally unholy.
Yeah.
What about that Don Vu guy, Mike? What do you think of him?
Don Vo?
Yeah.
I never really seen him, but I follow somebody that trades with him, Wix9, you know him? He's pretty cool.
Oh yeah, the dreadlock dude.
Yeah, he's
Yeah.
pretty cool.
Yeah, he's laid back. But yeah, Don Vu was well, Raja said it on his thing. It's like one of his students, but he just left the
Group
or the course or something. I don't know.
Yeah.
But
no. You too buy course from Raza?
Yeah, I'm in Raja's course, yeah.
You learned from Raza, yeah, Mike?
Yeah.
I think we all did. I think we all learned from Raja.
You too, yeah?
Yeah. Well,
No,
I mean,
you
I
know,
learned from.
One day
I
I
learned
talked
from a lot of
with-
different people.
Yeah.
I learned
One
from
day
a lot of different people.
Yeah. It's good.
But Raj has got a real basic, like, just
Yeah.
real simple.
He started trading on 2016. I started trading on 2014. No, 2 years ago.
What? You started trading 2014.
2014, yeah.
All right. And he started trading
2016.
16.
Yeah.
And he's gone to the distant, huh? This man.
No. He's doing well right now.
2016 and he's killing it. I only started 3 years ago. I think I told you that, Mike. 3 years ago I started.
Yeah.
I only really made profit like last month or the month before that. Just started really. So we can learn some stuff from you too, Sadiq. 2014.
Oh, here we go. DJ might try and give us a close below here.
Oh, nice.
No, bro, 24K. How long you trading in the Forex market?
3 years. I've been trading for 3 years, but I've only really started like making profit like 2 months ago. No. 3 years. 3 years, brother. 3 years.
Okay. You,
So I'm still a baby.
On the
Sorry?
starting, you lost. On the starting, you lost something, yeah?
Yeah, like at the start, I wasn't taking it serious because I had a business that I was running, and I just had a lot of time. So I was like, "What's this? What's this for?" I thought it was a big scam, and I just kept on going. So.
No, right now, what is your performance? No, monthly return from Forex?
How much am I making?
Yeah. How much making in a month?
I was making like I said, I just really started making profit. So I'm really say $80 to $100 a day. So it's not much, but it is. I just. Yeah.
So it will be after some month or after some year, when it will compounding day by day, then your wealth will be increased. No, but consistency is very important. Yeah. No,
well,
Mike, no.
Yeah. Well, that's why it's well, that's why it's a great channel to be in. Like right now, I understand more and more every day, and at this stage now, I'm just more on the psychology. As I was telling Mike, like I'm learning to not be so itchy every day, and know when it's time to trade and when it's time to. So that's why when I do my videos, Mike, you know, when I do my videos, when I'm arguing and I'm doing that, I'm actually talking to myself.
Yeah.
I'm just telling myself what not to do. So it's kind of good too, because like it keeps me active. It keeps because it's such a lonely industry, you know, like.
It's nice, bro. It's nice. No, you know, this industry, Forex industry, main thing is discipline. Overall. Yeah. And you know, last 3 years I strict only one strategy. I didn't change any other strategy, no indicators or other things, no. Only price action, enough. And trade.
Mike, here we go, Mike. Look, it's
it will be down, maybe,
Hey everyone, I'm back.
Hey,
what's up, Harry?
Did you do it?
Yeah, man. My network had just shocked. I had some issues with my network.
I thought you went to do a shit.
No, maybe Russians are hacked your network, yeah.
Mike, I offended Muhammad. He's gone now.
Yeah.
He got offended. Yeah, Sadiq. No, it's good. It's good to meet you, Sadiq, because I think we can learn a lot from you as well. 2014, bro. That's, you know, you've got a lot of.
So DJ wants to try and go down.
Looks like it was trying to. It's rejecting now.
Oh yeah.
Got us so excited.
This is 30 minutes.
Oh, man, I was looking at this here too.
You know, on gold, that next resistance is a very strong level.
Yeah.
What,
there
on
you
a
can
buy-
easily
on
have a
buy
rejection.
Oh yeah, on a sell. Look at the clean candles on that side.
No, we have some problem in price action because we have a long rejection candle on the left hand side. So maybe some move will come after NYSE open on gold. 4-hour candles are not good.
So Sadiq, is that how I pronounce it? Sadiq? Sadiq?
So the cut.
Oh,
Sadhak?
you can, yeah, Sartaj. You can
Sartaj.
call me Sartaj. Yeah, bro. No,
So-
no problem, no problem. Sartaj.
So how are you profiting every day, or how are you going? Like,
Bro, I did the trade, you know how, no, mostly 2-3 trades, no, maximum 2 or 3 trades, and I trade 90% trades took in gold only, totally.
and you're profiting every
And-
day, or how much you profiting every day?
Yeah. No, 2%, 3%. I know. 2 to 3%.
That's good, man.
Yeah.
Mike,
What's up, man?
don't you think now better buys on gold will be at least if the candle closes above what we 1765 area there? Like if you look at the 15-minute time frame, okay, there could be better entry, but really a nice buy could be above that area, right? Like
Yeah.
1765.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah. for
Rather
sure.
than
I'd
where we
probably
are
like
right
to see
now.
This candle close. See how this candle closes here.
You know how if 30 minutes candle close above this zone and next candle will respect the previous candle low and broke the high, then it will be good. Otherwise, other than because we have left hand side some columns in price action. So we have long week overall. It can fill maybe. Just wait for NY open. I took 2 trades, bro, from 1755 to 1763. Between those levels, I took 2 trades. First 12 pips, second 15 pips, and call a day on gold.
Oh, you've called it a day. You're not going to trade anymore.
Yeah, based on 15 minutes candle. No, when it was closed 7:55:60 candle. No, then respect the previous candle on 15 minutes and broke the high.
Oh, yeah.
I took the trade, and second when
I was going to take that too. But...
yeah, 59 something.
But that's a bit dangerous, that trade. It was like it wasn't an A+ trade, you know what I mean? It was.
No, I didn't really also do anything actually. It was a slow day.
Happened. You missed out on a big fuck fest on the Zoom though. Like a bunch of people.
Really?
Here. Yeah.
What was it about? Tell me about it.
Yeah,
You know what I think? Mike?
What happened?
I think Raja sent some Russians to come at ya because you're his competition now.
Yeah, he was like, this guy needs to stop this right now.
Like there was people here, like more there.
Yeah, there was a lot of people in here.
Wow.
Trying to take
I
over.
missed that. I was up.
I still can't figure out the settings though.
Of what?
So many fucking settings on Zoom, you know? It's like, I don't know where to even find it.
They are hackers.
Yeah. Be careful.
Fucking Russian
And
hackers.
they got nothing else to do and just, you know.
He's back. You Uncle Cooks. Say something. A big fan of Uncle Ted, so he normally calls himself Uncle Cooks.
Oh yeah.
Uncle Ted.
He's a goat.
Yeah.
He is maybe mentor of Raja,
Yeah.
No, he always told about him, Uncle Ted. He took only one trade on gold and he success.
Damn, man.
Raj, did you buy gold? Did you buy, like, Raj was talking about buying GJ? I didn't understand.
Oh,
How did that go?
Yeah.
I didn't
How can he buy GJ?
I don't know. He sent a message in the Zoom chat, so it was like he was going to buy GG. I don't know, with 15-minute close. I don't know how the 15-minute closed. So.
You are in Raja group?
Oh no, he's here. Structure is not good. Okay, brother. Gotcha.
Raj K. Okay.
Mike, what's that target for buys? Is that 17? What 17? Target for buys? What's
for this? I'll probably look for this first area right here, 1765 or so.
1765?
Yeah, just like
that area.
Yeah, just like Harith was pointing out, you know, we have a lot of rejections here.
So you're gonna move it up to 7.
There's a minor resistance also on the 4 hour that we really broke and retested and then dropped, and now we are coming back to that area, the 4 hour.
Yeah, I was looking at this right here, take buys right there as it's breaking a high, but I think I'd rather have it close above this level here.
Yeah, that would be pretty nice, a close. The close really makes sense because it's a rejection area right there, so anything can happen.
Yeah, and I mean, we've seen it reject here on 15 minute already, so rejected twice, once right here and once right here, so. But yeah, I'd really like to see this GJ close below. I always prefer to trade GJ. I like to trade GJ better.
Mike, NY already open? Will be open. NY.
We're coming into NYSE open in the next 40 minutes or so.
NY already open, yeah?
Yeah, NY already opened, yeah.
Already started. Okay.
Long.
But you know, after NY open, bro, we have no volume in the market. Maybe because of Monday.
Yeah, typically we'll see something like for NYSE open. This push right here, this push happened with the comics open. This one right here, this last little push.
No, I bought here.
This is YouTube music?
No, it's a playlist on Spotify, but it's this right here. Can you see this? Can you see Spotify or no? I don't think you can.
No.
Which one is?
Yeah, no, I forgot that my screen settings are just on this browser, so it won't show.
Oh.
But yeah, it's just a Spotify playlist, just like a free, like, you know, streaming playlist or whatever that doesn't have any copyright.
Oh, okay. Raj probably needs the name of it.
There she goes, Mikey.
Yeah.
It's moving out of the reach.
Yeah, need that close.
So I have a retest line, which is on that long wick. I have a retest line, so once I get past that with a brand new candle, that's when I'll execute the trade, and I'll wait for that second candle to close.
Hell yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for this candle to close.
Yeah, that close will be better.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for it to close here. We got 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, and 4 hour candles all closing at the same time here. So
That's it. 255. Oh, it is too. Oh.
yeah, we'll see. I think we should get a nice close. Yeah, DJ. Gold, I think it's gonna push too far. Alright, 15 pips to the top of the range from that. Alright, I think I got the zoom settings figured out now.
You got it? Nice, 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 nice.
Didn't have any of those problems anymore.
It's a fucking waiting game, isn't it? Isn't it?
Yeah, hell yeah. Now I just seen all these messages in here. This is funny.
What, in your Twitter?
Kick
In your
these
Twitter?
idiots and lock the room. Oh, I didn't see all these chats. That's hilarious. Kick this guy. Fuck you, man, asshole. Oh my god, this is hilarious.
They all must be young kids, eh?
Yeah. Oh man, this is terrible closure right here. Terrible.
Mm.
Yeah, it's just
Just
nothing.
consolidate.
Just going from the top of the range to the bottom of the range, the top to the bottom. This gold should probably continue to this area here, 1765 or so, but not enough range for me, I don't think.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna enter it.
Yeah. Same way.
And it closed just below this level, yeah. Nah, I don't think it's gonna be good.
Hey Jake, what's up, mate? How you going?
What's good, guys? Sorry, I jumped off for a bit. I had some work to do, and I jumped on Raja's stream a little bit as well.
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Raja just sent some Russian people to sabotage Mike's channel.
Yeah.
You take anything, Mike?
No, I haven't taken anything yet. We had like, I don't know, it's like 15 Russian people or something. They came in here, they were trying to take over. So I had to figure some things out real quick.
Holy.
Yeah, it was funny as shit. But yeah, I think I got the settings changed now, so we won't deal with those problems no more.
What was it? Just like, because it was like, was it open on the who could join or something? Or
Yeah, because I just have the stream open, you know, so the Zoom link or whatever. So
yeah,
they got it from somewhere, and yeah.
jumped on. They speak in English or?
No, they were playing like some ridiculous music and just like fucking going crazy. I couldn't figure it out because my screen like kept like glitching. Like it would just be like all purple and then all red. And I was like, what the fuck? Why is this happening? Like, why does my screen keep turning colors? But then I realized that one of them was turning the colors, you know, like they were doing the annotation or whatever, and they were putting the
Yeah. They took control of it. You can do you can do the annotations and stuff, can't you?
Yeah, they were doing this right here. They were just doing this.
And they gave you a dick.
Yeah, they drew a dick on there. Yeah. Yeah, I was just like, yo, what the hell? Oh my god.
Kind of slightly annoyed. I missed that, you know.
Yeah, it was it was pretty ridiculous. You can catch the replay on YouTube. I'm sure it'll be on there. I might have to rewatch it because I was so confused. I was like, whoa, what the fuck's going on? But I'll be right back. I'm about to piss my pants. I'll be right back.
Yeah, cool, bro. I'm gonna think myself.
24K.
24K. That's it, brother.
Was good, brother.
Oh man. She's trying to cash up, bro.
But you was waiting for that dick to present itself.
I made some money from pound yen before. So actually it's really good being with Mike because Mike's actually holding me back from trading, doing stupid shit.
Yeah, that's really the
Yeah.
like the good value of trading in a group. Like it helps you to do this crazy. Because trust me, if we was alone, someone would be taking a sale right now, just trying to make it happen.
Nah, definitely gonna come back tomorrow, huh? Is he on every night or what?
Yeah. Yeah, sure. I'm here every day. Like we're here every day.
You gotta come back as well. Are you on Twitter?
Yeah.
Did you add me?
Yeah, I'm on Twitter. That's why I saw you, like your videos. You know, you spoke about something that Raja retweeted about trading is like moving in time, like it's time travel, something like that, right?
He loved that, huh?
Yeah.
Raja loves that.
Because you go 30 minutes back, you can go 1 hour back, you can do this, go
brother, that's
4 hours ahead.
Yeah, that's what I felt like it. That's what it feels like, you know. So
like how do you go 30 minutes back to check and then move 1 hour?
Exactly. Man, I'm just trying to become a better trader, you know what I mean? Like I'm just trying to enhance and just speed up. You can't really speed up, but like, you know, Mike's been trading for a long time, and so you know, why not? You know, I'm open to listen to other people.
Learning.
Even that Sadiq guy, you know.
Sure.
Did you text me on Twitter? Say it's me, so I can add you.
Sure. Let me text you.
Text me on Twitter.
He has some network issues.
Oh shit.
Bro, voice is not clear. Maybe your network is very bad.
Like so boring.
Yeah, so boring. 24K, bro. What's your name in Twitter?
On Twitter, 24K, or just Tuchinos. Can you find me Tuchinos? What I do is I put it on.
Only 24K? Mr. 24K, I saw you. Oh.
But it's got Tuchinos.
Oh, understand. No,
Can
I
you
have
add
also
me?
Twitter.
Can you
I
add
have
me,
also
Sadiq? Can you send a text to me so I know it's you, so I add you? Because I don't want to really add.
I will follow you. No, my name is Sadakat Sartaj.
Yeah, but can you text me so I can follow you?
Yes, just wait, just 1 minute.
Because the thing is, I don't just follow people unless.
I just text you, bro.
Great, let's have a look. What's up with Mike?
Mike, maybe.
Oh, he's gone to do a piss. Did you text me on Twitter or?
Mr. 24K, yeah. 24.
Yeah, text me on Twitter.
Yeah, just I found finding you. Oh. This is Chochinos?
Yeah,
Mr.
Tuchinos,
24?
that's me.
Okay,
Are
okay.
you on Mike's channel every night? Do you come on this channel every night?
I already followed you, M24K.
Yeah, man, but it'd be good if we all stick together, man. You know?
Yeah, that's
like I said,
that's
man,
right.
3 years in the game, I need more knowledge, man. I'm hungry.
I follow you, bro.
Yeah, I got you. I'm gonna follow you back.
Just, but how can I text you?
I'll text you. Hi.
Okay.
You're a
Okay.
doctor. Are you a doctor?
Yeah, I am. I just finished my graduation in medicine.
Oh, well done.
From Russia.
Congrats, bro.
Yeah, from Russia. No, we have 10-12 people came in Zoom. They are from Russia. What they want to tell us, I understand better. I all understand. They say us very bad words. So
don't worry about it, man. It's funny, like the algorithm.
Yeah,
like,
just.
I've got more people. Kurt Robertson.
We got nothing going on here.
Yeah, so boring.
24K, you saw my request? I sent you a request.
Yeah, I Mohammed, is that you?
Yeah.
Can you say hi to me on the text and I'll add it?
Sure, let me try.
We're gonna try and get more people on Mike's channel.
Yeah.
I've just sent Mike. I just sent look. I'm new on Twitter, so I just sent like a text, like a link. But one of my followers are trying to get into your channel, but I think you deleted him.
Oh shit! He might have gotten caught up with the Russians that came in.
Yeah. So his name is Destopian. Destopian.
Alright, let me look at that. Let me see if I can.
Yeah. I just texted him like, come join again.
I'm gonna try and look at the settings.
Yeah.
Check in that that post you posted about Mike's Zoom. I'll just send them like comment.
Yeah.
It's me, Harry.
Yeah.
So
let's do it. Mike, come join us. Harry Muddy, is that you? Are you Harry Muddy?
yeah, exactly. I use that.
All right, so I'll follow
No,
you
that's
back.
just abbreviation. I just abbreviated my name. My name.
Yeah, I got you. Hi. Did you get my text?
Sure. Yeah.
Nice, man. At least we got a place to go to every night instead of trading alone.
Yeah, thanks to Mike. Mike is
That's
the
it.
OG.
Nah, you guys are the ones showing up. Shit.
Thanks for having us, man.
Yeah, man. Thanks for the hospitality.
Because, you know, Raja gets a bit boring, you know?
Yeah. He's getting busy now. He's getting busy.
Sure.
Too busy for the streams.
Well, he's a top G. That's what happens. Soon he's going to be hanging around Andrew Tate. Well, we got to get up there too, eh, Mike?
Oh yeah, for sure.
We got to get up there too, bro.
It's a matter of time, brother.
As long as every day, as long as when you trade every day and you feel like you've done better than last week, do you know what I mean? Or you learned something from last week that you really fucked up, I think, you know, that's progress.
Yeah, 100%.
I fucked up real bad last week, Mike. I just like, fuck, what did I do that for? It's like, but yeah, as long as you just kind of like know what happened and
yeah, 100%. I mean, always learn from the trades, you know.
yeah.
Do you have a trade journal set up? 24K?
Yeah, I've got one.
Yeah, that's the best thing you can do. I mean, as long as you journal your trades, you know, you review them every week. Shit, I mean, you can just learn from the losses and see what you did wrong.
But the thing is, Mike, it's like, you know, like when you're doing that trade, it's like, you know, like you've just like, you fucked up, and you know, like why did I do that for? Do you know what I mean? It's just out of boredom. Like I was telling Mohammed, it's just out of boredom. You know what I mean? Like that's why it's good to just be occupied, talk with you guys, and discussing about, you know, trades and psychology, and then when we see something, we can talk about it together. Like, all right, should we go for this? Or do you know what I mean?
Yeah, absolutely.
Because that trade, that gold at 1758, where it just like popped out of the zone, I would have done a trade on that, even though it's like what 20. What was the thing on that? It was like 28, 29, but it was really tight, you know?
Yeah, the range, yeah.
Yeah, the range was really tight. I think Sadiq traded on that.
Yeah, just nothing at this point, nothing.
Yeah, character building day.
Let's see, got some messages here on YouTube. Did I take any trades today? Nope, no trades. I think everything else
Okay. Got it.
all good? We can hear you now.
GJ maybe choppy, yeah.
Yeah, GJ has just been ranging the whole time.
Oh, this is 15 minutes candle, yeah.
Yeah, it's 15 minutes.
Closed like Hammer, yeah.
Yeah, it's just been ranging. I think we should probably correct this move. Maybe with London close coming.
Yeah. I think so. It will correct for the London move. Gold is trying to make some resistance and then drop.
Yeah, hopefully we get a nice close below with NYSE open. I think we should correct this move. I mean, based on how the hourly is printing right now, the hourly closed below the support level here.
Yeah.
4 hour.
I mean, the live charts, the currency.
Sadaquad, does it not allow you to unmute yourself after you mute yourself? Oh yeah, I think I fixed it now.
No, got it, bro.
Jake, you should be good now, I think too.
Yeah, sweet. I don't know. I don't know what happened there. It might have been because of the Russians. Maybe you changed the settings in it.
Yeah, I had a setting changed.
Yeah, that's cool. I didn't have anything to say actually. I just thought I was gonna unmute myself, and it was like, ah.
No, thank you for letting me know though, because I honestly just turned on a bunch of shit, so we might have a problem with the Zoom sessions for a couple of days until I figure out the settings. But I pretty much turned on everything that was like, you know, authenticate yourself, you know, mute upon entry, everything.
Send an email.
Yeah. You must know my address. If you don't know it, you can't get in.
Are you gonna look at sales here, Mike, on DJ?
Yeah, I think so. I was actually looking at it like right as it's breaking the low right now.
Yeah.
But I think I might wait for candle to close. I'm gonna look at it here.
What's the stops?
Yeah, I'm gonna enter in it. It's about 17 pips right here. I'm gonna enter in, and I'm gonna anticipate price to keep driving with the NYSE open coming in play here. But the real
so you're entering now, or you're gonna enter at the break?
Yeah, no, I entered in at the break of the 15 minute. But
okay.
But I think it should continue and break the 30 minute too here.
So you've entered the trade already, Mike, or?
Yeah, I did enter that. And like I said, the only real reason that I took it before the close is because I know we have NYSE coming in play here, and I've seen this happen a lot where price breaks the high and the lows. When it goes to break the low, it'll usually continue to go here. So that's basically what the anticipation is here. And right here we'll see like 30 minute and hourly lows break. So it might be a little premature, but I think it should play out.
Right. I mean, that's what Raja did with start of London.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it should play out here. Starting to gallop.
Here we go. That's it. So I went down to the 5 minute and waited for the second bar candle to open. I was like, all right, fuck it.
Maybe after NY Open, sniper shop, sniper suit will be.
Yeah.
Because after NY Open, lots of volume came.
Yeah, we got 30-minute candle closing in like 3 minutes, so I'd definitely like to see this hit 10 pips, hit my partial TP right here before this candle closes. Give me one little push here. It's like 6-7 pips in profit right now. One little push here, it'll hit 10 pips, I'll close out 90%. And that'll be the trade. Which it's right there, but it hasn't hit it on my MT5 yet. It's a little bit off on my MT5. Wicking it. Notice how it's also right at this level too. Right at a nice rejection level. But yeah, I mean, I think I've seen this happen a lot. Like, number one, we've been ranging a lot here. Price rejected here a couple of times. It broke the high here and then went and broke the low. That was honestly like my cue to enter was when it went to break the low after it broke the high. Volatile candle, so it's a little bit risky, but at the same time, the volatile candle usually means that volume's in the market. And we know volume's in the market at this time because of NYSE Open. So yeah, just hit 10 pips right there, secured 90% of the position, got stops at entry, and then I'm gonna let the runner continue down.
It will drop now.
I don't think it's gonna go this far down, honestly, but I'll trail my stops as it continues.
I got my TP on 164.8.
164.8, yeah, that's probably gonna be a lot better, yeah.
That's right about, yeah, 7-8.
Boom, no, that's a good day, that's a good day. The scammers tried to get us, but they couldn't get us, and instead we scammed the markets. So fuck them. So we waited like almost 3 hours for this. man, I almost almost accidentally opened another position on my magic keys. Oh.
Mike, bro, magic keys really work?
Yeah, magic keys is a shit, man.
Huh?
Magic keys is a shit.
It's the
Oh.
bomb.
Yeah, I have whoops. I have two versions of magic keys. I have the original version and the new version. Oh, Harith, man, you're stuck in YouTube. You couldn't get back in. Fuck. I wonder if it's I wonder if I changed the settings or something. Like, would I let you back in? Thanks, Mike. No problem, man. Thank you for showing up, man. Yeah, Raj, I definitely understand there. Against your rule, never enter at the end of the 30-minute closure. Yeah, I definitely agree with you there. Like I said, that was a little risky, you know, taking that entry there, especially because we hadn't seen closure below this zone. But I was simply just looking into the fact that, like, you know, we rejected this resistance, you know, 3 times. We came down to this support. We're coming down at NYSE open, so I was just anticipating volume to drive it at that point. And with that said, like I mentioned, you know, I was trying to make sure I was secured in that trade before this new candle opened, because I knew that this was going to happen. You know, this trade here, what it's doing right now. At the same time, every single time a candle closes, when a new candle opens, we see a top wick created and go break the lows if it's going to continue. You know, so we have to anticipate that, and that's kind of why I said, you know, like I would definitely want this to play out before the 30-minute candle closes, so that way we can kind of assure ourselves to be able to catch that push. But now, man, Raj, you got them rules set. You're profitable. Keep with that. So Mike, how many entry setups you have, if you don't mind sharing? Thanks. This was really the only one today. There was a couple other things that we saw happen that we talked about executing on, but just didn't feel 100% confident. So this was the only one that I executed on today. But Harith, I'm glad that you caught that, man. I'm glad that you caught that. You secured 13 pips, now you got the runner. Yeah, hopefully it doesn't retrace all the way back and stop us out. Hopefully the volume will stay in, but if it does, it is what it is. I secured 90% of the position, so I'll be fine with it. Gold's still moving to the top of this range. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna come stop me out. Stop my runner out.
Okay, Mike and 24K.
Yeah,
guys, I am leaving, bro.
Word, sounds good, man. Have a good one.
Okay, thank you.
see you tomorrow.
Yeah, have a good day. See you tomorrow. Yeah.
See you later, man.
Okay.
Yeah, this was nice here. This was nice. Yeah, my runner got stopped at entry. Yeah, I think we'll probably see a nice push with London close to correct that move from London today.
Here we go. Here we go. 7, 6.
So Reese still got the runner moving, nice. Yeah, Patrick, runner stopped, but yep, still secured, so we're all good. Word. Well, that's it for today then. We caught the trade, we sat around, waited for something we wanted to see, and we caught that bad boy. So that's gonna be it. We're gonna shut it down.
Nice. Good trade, Mike.
Yep.
I almost took it with you if I hadn't have already made money on DJ, so I thought I'm gonna leave it.
Yeah, no, I'm glad you didn't take it honestly, because it was kind of risky, and I would have felt like shit if you lost. So.
No,
I feel like that. It's up to us. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's up to us, brother.
Yeah, 100%.
This looks like it will continue though. But
Yeah.
it would have stopped me out of break even had I already taken profit of taking it, but oh well. See you tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yeah, it should continue
Right, Mike.
100%, I think. But word, you guys have a great rest of your day, rest of your night, rest of your morning, whatever time it is for you. I got a lot of shit to knock out today, so I'm gonna get to it. But we'll catch up, we'll do it again tomorrow.
What time is it over there in Georgia?
It's 9:38 a.m.
Oh shit, really?
Yeah,
Right.
yeah, we're just getting the day started.
Have a good brekkie.
Yeah, thank you, man, thank you. We'll catch up tomorrow.
No worries, I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.
Recording stopped.